Okay guys, we're going to learn how to take density. In order to take density, you need to find its mass and its volume. So we're going to begin with the mass. First, we need to look and make sure our triple beam balance is calibrated. This line needs to be lined up in the middle. It needs to just do the minor adjusting. Okay, we're going to weigh our Hot Wheel. We're going to take the mass of it. We're going to put it on there. There's little notches back here. You're going to slide each one over and make sure it locks into the notch. 40 is too much because it makes it drop. We're trying to balance it back to the center of that zero line. Okay, so it looks like if I just go a little. Okay, that gives us, so it's about Alright, so it's going to be 30 plus 8 is 38. Each little small hash comes after the decimal. It's a tenth, so it's going to be 38.1. Okay guys, today we're going to talk about volume using a graduated cylinder. When you take the volume of any liquid, you're going to use a graduated cylinder because graduated cylinders measure volume in milliliters. You should use a graduated cylinder that matches, that's closest to the amount of fluid you're measuring, so that it's more accurate. The larger the graduated cylinder, the bigger the increments apart are going to be, and it will be less accurate. In this case, we're also going to talk about volume displacement. So I had to get a larger graduated cylinder because I wanted to have a bigger mouth here to fit my object in. So to take the volume of this, we're going to remember the three things with graduated cylinders. Flat level surface, squatting down, getting eye level, and reading the bottom of the meniscus is at 150 milliliters. Now, if we take that and we decide we're going to find the volume of an irregular shaped object, which in this case is the Hot Wheels, you can't do length times width times height on an irregular shaped object. You have to do volume displacement. So we're going to slide this in. It's gone up. So it was at 150. These increments are going up by 5. So 55, 60, 65 looks to be about 170. So if it was 170 and you had 150, you subtract those from each other, you have 20 milliliters. The volume is 20 milliliters of the car. So then we're going to remember what we found yesterday when we found the mass. We had the car's mass was 38, oopsie, that's not 3. Oops, if you look when you're writing. It was 38 grams. And now we're going to divide it by the volume, which was 20. So that's going to go in there one time. That's 18. We're going to put a decimal there, a 0 there, bring the 0 down. And we're going to bring that 0 down. So 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. So our density of the car is 1.9 grams per milliliters. Or it could be 1.9 grams per centimeters cubed, which is what we're going to use in this instance because the car is a solid. Okay? So we found the density, or we found the mass yesterday on the triple beam balance. Today, we've looked at the volume. And we've compared how you have a flat level surface. You read the bottom of the meniscus at eye level. And to find the difference, you take your new number and you have your original measurement, which was 150. And we subtracted that from our final measurement, which was 170, and that gave us 20. And then we divided, remember, D equals a heart. A heart divided gives you mass and volume.